Students, good morning. Today we are going to learn the poem Animals. So, in this poem written by Walt Whitman, what he was doing in this poem, what he was telling about this poem is differentiate the animals and human being. Yes, animals are greater than human being. What are the desires, likes were done by animals and what other things were done by human beings. So in this poem we are going to learn about animals and human being. What is the difference between animals and human being? Yes, the poem Animals written by Walt Whitman. He is more comfortable with the animal than human being. Yes, he doesn't like to live with the human. He want to live with the animals because he is not comfortable with the human being. He is comfortable with the only animals because animals, what is that? Animals are very honest, gentle and calm. What is that? Yes, they are not cheating any other animals. They are not fighting more like a human being. They are calm and their mind their own business. They are not interfere with the other animals. As human beings only always interferes with the other animals, capturing other countries, fighting with other people, as theft and doing some other criminal activities. But the animals are not doing the same. So self-satisfied. What is that? The animals are self-satisfied. Yes, they are eating only daily food per day. Day by day they are going and searching animals, birds, everything, going and searching and eating the food. But human beings are saving the food for every year and year, and then next they are saving the money for their generation, because of that they were very greedy. Compare with the animal, human beings are greedy, at the same time self-satisfied. Animals were self-satisfied. Yes, if they are eating too much of amount of food, after that they won't save for future. They are not saving for future. Watch them with the awe and admiration. So the poet is watching the animal with the admiration. So, but what that? Human beings are restless. If they are having enough of money, enough of food, enough of facilities, even though they are restless, they are working day and night, dissatisfied. If you are giving a person 1 crore money, that they are not happy. They need more and more money. They need more and more money. They are not satisfied. So self-centered. All the people are selfish. Maximum of the human being selfish. For him, he want to save the money, for family save the money, for the generation save the money. So they are not happy with the enough of money. They want to earn. Selfish, self-centered. What is that? The human beings are self-centered, including me and you, all the people. Yes. And the next, animals. Animal not overworked. Animals are not. They are not making overtime. Yes. In our relation, our father, mother, in the company, they are working. After the completion of the time, they are working overtime because they can earn extra money. But animals are not working overtime, not gain more and more. They don't want. They need enough of food. That is enough. They need food daily. They are not saving the food for 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, or next generation. So they are gaining more, not gaining more and more. They are getting little. They are getting little. So they never cry in pain. They never. For example, if our father, mother, or grandfather, grandmother, ancestor died, what we will do? We are crying. We are crying. But the animal's father, mother, the mother of animal or baby animal died, the animals are not crying. The animals are not crying. They are complaining. They are not complaining. But we are complaining. But the animals are not complaining to anyone. Yes, and complain to either. Yes, not discuss foolishly and noisily about God. Yes, we are going to temple. The human beings are going to temple and pray to God, kneel down before God, and say about our problem, sadness, and asking cure. Okay, but no animals are going to temple and pray with God. They are not giving any money to God. So not discuss foolishly. They are not discuss foolishly or noisily. Yes, we are shouting, we are making radio, and so the animals are not discussed foolishly and nicely about that. So no one dissatisfied with wealth. So the animals are the animals are not deviated by rich, poor, high caste, low caste. So not differentiate. Not no one dissatisfied with the wealth. Or that they are, yes, I am having more money. He is having less money. Okay, so they are not feeling about. They are not jealous. They are not jealous about other animals. So they are not madly run for money. The animals are not working for money, not working for money. They need food for on the time. Okay, morning food, evening food, nighttime food. So they are run for only food. They run for only food, not like human being for earning more and more money. So but human being all the things. Yes, what are the things we are making over time, overworked? Yes, gain more, need more and more money, need more and more money. As always crying in pain, yes, sadness. If anybody died, any problem, always crying and blabbering. So we are complaining always. What is that? We are complaining about other people. Yes, he is scolding me. He cheated me or something, beating me. We are complaining about that. So not discuss, we are discussing foolishly and nicely, and we are going to temple and pray to God and doing something. Next, no one dissatisfied with the wealth, but human beings are always dissatisfied. Human beings always dissatisfied with the wealth. Yes, because he is having more money, I am not having more money. He permanent job, I am not permanent, I am not having permanent job. Yes, so lot of problems. Dissatisfied with the human beings, madly run for money, but we are always working for money. The human beings are always working for money. So these qualities are having human being. These qualities, human beings are having these kind of qualities. And the next, the silly activities. So the animals are not doing like this silly activities when sick and sad. Yes, the animals are made sick or become sad. uh, they are not kneel down. What is that? They are not kneel down before elders. Kneel down or beg. They are not begging. They are not begging. And the next day, they are not worship of hero. Yes, we are worshipping them heroes. For example, Vijay, Ajit, Rajni. Okay, when their flames open, what we are doing? As we are doing some abhishek or something. Okay, so the animals are not doing like that. Pray ancestor. Yes, in our houses, what we are doing, our grandpa, grandma died. Grandpa, grandma, or great grandpa, great grandma as photo and kept worship. Pray. We are doing prayer, and we are getting bless. Okay, we are getting blessing from elders, and high class, low class. We are making high class people, low class people, high caste people, low caste people, rich people, poor people. But animals are not saying that. Okay, animals are not divided by high caste animal, low caste animal, everything. So these qualities are differ from human being and animal. Human beings and animal. Next, animals. No class division as high class or low class. These are followed by human beings but not followed by animals. Not giving respect. Yes, but human beings are always giving respect to elders, but animals are not giving respect to elders. But animals are always happy, no one unhappy. Always, animals are always happy, no one unhappy. They are not showing like unhappy. These are human quality, but these are human quality. These qualities are followed by animals, but animals qualities are followed by human being. So all the one opposite. Humans were working opposite of animals, like opposite of animals. So poet wonder when and how animal came to possess noble human virtues, human also animal. So poet wonder about the animal's quality, so he want to live with the animal, he want to live with the animal, he don't want to live with the human being, because human being also once became animal, human being also once animal, so animals become a human being. So in this poem animals, Walt Whitman said, respect animal for straightforward, respect animal for straightforward. They are not keeping anything in mind and speaking out of something. So I think I could turn and live with the animal, they are so pleasant and self contained. So animals are always happy, silent, and they are not self content. Okay, they are self content. So because of that he want to live with the animal. So losses his hope and man. But that man always thinking about uh, sin, weep for sin, thinking about sin, weep for sin, but animals are not doing like that. So I stand and look at them long. So always he is watching animals, they do not sweet and wine under their condition, they are not drinking the wine, they are not drinking the sweet, yes, always, but they do not lie awake in the dark and weep for their sins. So they are not lying, they are not weeping, they are not lying, they are not weeping, they are not feeling about their sins, they do not make sick discussing their duty to God. Yes, if they met sick, they are not going to temple, and they are not praying God and ancestors. So not one is dissatisfied, not one is demanded with the mania of owning things. So they are not always satisfied. I already told you the animals are always satisfied, not like human being, not like human. They don't feel if they lost anything, father, mother, or brother, sister, they are not feeling anything, they are not feeling. So not one kneel another, nor the kind that lived thousands of years ago. So they are not kneel down, they are not kneeling down before any other animal. Yeah, animal is not kneeling down any other animal. Not one respectable or unhappy over the whole earth. So they show their relation to me and I accept them. They bring me tokens of myself. They evince them plainly in their possession. So I wonder, because of this quality, the poet became wonder about the animal. Because wonder about the poet name is Walt Whitman. Thank you.